Installing a power distribution board. Place the power distribution board into the PDB cage. Fasten the 6 screws to secure the power distribution board onto the PDB cage. Connect the cables to the power distribution board. Connect the power and signal cables to the drive backplane. Align the RAID flash power module holder with the guide pins on the chassis and then lower the holder down onto the chassis. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the RAID flash power module holder. Note: make sure that the holder secures the following cables: the system board power 2 cable, the FCB power cable. If applicable, reinstall the M.2 backplane assembly. Connect the M.2 signal and power cables to the M.2 backplane. Pinch the pull tape in the blue touch point. Align the M.2 backplane assembly with the guide pins on the chassis, and then lower the assembly down onto the chassis and push the assembly forward until it clicks into place. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the M.2 backplane assembly. Reinstall the M.2 air baffle. Refer to the Installing an M.2 air baffle video to complete the parts replacement. Reinstall all the power supplies. Make sure the label on the power supply is facing up, and then slide it into the power supply bay until it clicks into place.